son, Kid Rock. And I don't really like this stuff they call hip-hop, but he's sure been good to me, and I'm still trying to make him see. In country music, you just can't say the F word. My son Shelton says he's been having a hard time. Yeah, he does great shows, but he's just gotta speak his own mind. Well, I wonder where that came from. I guess he's a real son of a gun. Take the old man's advice, be nice, and lose the F word. No, no, in country music, you just can't say the F word. Oh, we've come a long way, but it's best if that one's not heard. Oh, we've had some hells and dams, but we don't say bitch, we say why. Yes, ma'am, 'cause in country music, you just don't use the F word. Today's hot new country, it sounds pretty good to me, but it's time for basics, our roots, and some reality. You gotta scrape me off of the ceiling when Mrs. Hawkins says it with feeling. But in country music, you just can't say the F word. No, in country music, you just don't use the F word. Oh, we've come a long way, but it's best if that one's not heard. Oh, we've had some hells and dams, but we would never say that, we'd say why. Yes, ma'am, 'cause in country music, we just...
Do they work? Oh, really? Okay. Oh, here we go. Look at this. Just want to get some light here. Oh, that's perfect. That's all I needed. Okay. Getting her while she's ready to go to bed here. Bugging the hell out of her. She's ready to go to bed now. She's been working all night. A little bit of video of this finished room. I tore out all the paneling, as you'll see. Done new carpeting, new base, new crown molding, new everything. It's good. Again, this is Drew's Home Repair. Just finished this job, Southport, North Carolina. Tina Logan's house. The next thing will be the roof. That'll be my next project I'll be working on. We're actually remodeling the whole inside of this house, one room at a time, as she gets the money. Quick throw together deck that we did a couple years ago. She just wanted something out back she could throw a barbecue grill on and have some grilling in the summertime. But anyways, Drew's Home Repair, and we'll see you soon. Thanks for watching the video.